Okay, I like commercial a lot because commercial, I mean, Fat Tuesday, I'll talk about them for a second here. I talked about them last call. We signed the lease once. I don't have to meet anybody. I don't have to talk to anyone for the next 10 years of my life. I mean, my daughter came to show me, she said, look, an astronaut here online makes $166,000 a year. That's an astronaut. I said, yeah, you know how much we're going to make from that lease alone? You know what I mean? And she said, oh, yeah, but you can compare this to that. Yeah, you can, because this astronaut is going to work his butt off. I was going to say something else. But anyway, and he's going to actually train like crazy and has to go to the moon and all this while I'm staying here on Earth, and the building is bringing me income and I can do other things. So I like commercial. Now, residential is fun because you can play with it a little bit. You can do the Airbnb and all this. And I like to outsource it. Why? Because residential, in my opinion anyway, has a lot of moving parts. Even apartment building residential, which is commercial residential, has moving parts, a lot of moving parts. Where if you do Airbnb, you got to clean, you got to set up. Oh, they stole the batteries from the remote. They broke the lamp. And then you have to constantly, okay, do I bill them? And they're going to put bad review. They're going to all this stuff. So I like to assign it. I give them good money to these people. I have peace of mind, and it's like a turnkey. It's like a triple net operation, but it's like a management company that I don't even have to worry about. So I like to outsource residential. I like to keep commercial because there's less headaches with it. Even when the market went bad and a couple jewelers came to me and they said, look, cruises stopped in Puerto Rico. Can you give us a little break? I can't pay $6,500. Can I just pay you $1,500? Remember, these people negotiate every day, all the time to sell jewelry. So it's normal they start $1,500. So what do? I do a dramatic flinch. $1,500, oh my God, I can't breathe very well. You know, it's like a heart attack. It's like, listen, man, when you come back to reality, call me. And then we settle at like $4,500 and the $2,000 difference we paid later, etc. So that was a small period of time and most of them made up for it. And actually, I just have them renewing like crazy right now because they could see that cruises are promoting to go to credible level. So commercial is much easier once you get in and you get going with it because it's less moving parts. But it's fun. Both are fun. So I outsource residential. Okay, so if they're part of the JV, I give you not only the list of the websites that we actually check rents and what's listed, etc., which you can actually Google. If you're not part of the JV and you want to know, you can Google commercial real estate listings. You can go from loopnet.com to so many companies, including local companies. You can even put commercial property for sale Atlanta or something like this, and you'll get a bunch, some on Craigslist, some private sales. I hate to be so absolute, but I always like for sale by owner. Talking to the owner direct is great. If I can, and somebody has to be in the middle, and it's not listed through a broker or something, it's easier because the flexibility is there. And then I do it through an attorney, the actual contract, and it just goes smoothly. Like this lady, we're going to be wiring money on Monday, lock in the deal. Then when do you want to close, lady? Whenever you're ready. So yeah, you get them by going to these big websites.